guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be creating this smoky purple look. If you want to call it a smoky purple look, it's a full smoky look. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I do have my face on and now I'm going to go and start doing the eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette for the entire look. So I'm gonna go ahead and put concealer on my lids. For the transition color, I'm going to use this brown shade. It's called C5. This one right here, I'm gonna use this. And I just like to start in the center right here where the eye crease is and then just slowly build it up like that. So I'm just blending that right into the eye. Alright, so I do have the transition colors on. Now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe 330 brush and I'm gonna go in with this blue shade. It's D4, this royal blue color. I don't know if you guys can see it. This one right here. So right here, I'm just gonna go in like that. And I'm gonna pick up more of that blue and just go right in again and just do the same thing again. Just build up in the outer corner and then just slowly pull it in. And try not to go above the transition color because you don't want that blue going into areas that will be hard to blend. So just try to stay underneath that area where we apply the transition color and just slowly blend. And what I like to do at this point is go back in with the Morphe M200 brush, the one that we use for the transition color, and just blend the top. Just lightly blend. So now that we are done applying the two shades, I'm gonna go in with a small fluffy brush. This is an M22 brush. It's really small and tiny. I'm gonna use this to apply D5, which is this black shade. So I'm gonna go in with that and just lightly apply that in the outer corner of the eyes. I'm just gonna go in like this. Just add extra drama and that boldness that we want. So I'm just slowly applying that right there. Now I'm gonna go into the palette with that fluffy brush, the 330 Morphe brush, and apply more of that D4, which is the blue, the royal blue color, and just blend right here, just right underneath the first transition color we applied. I'm just gonna go in like this and then just blend those colors in together. And I'm gonna go in with the first transition color brush that we use. This is the Morphe M200 brush, and just blend the very top. Now I'm going to go in with more concealer and apply the lid color. I'm going to go in and apply D2, which is that glittery blue color. You always want to blend your eyeshadows like your life depends on them. Seriously, like, take your time and blend. That way those colors just look nice. Finally, I'm gonna go back in with C5, which was the first transition color that we used, and I'm gonna blend at the top. For the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with that black shade. To smudge and smoke out that black, I'm going to go in with a flat brush. This is a Morphe M113 brush, and it looks like this. This brush is beat up. I'm gonna go in with that blue shade and smoke out that black. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with this very glittery light lavender purple. It's A1. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna use that for the inner corner. So I'm just applying this in the tear duct. I'm going to go ahead and apply eyeliner as well. This is the e.l.f. liner. This is my go-to all the time. For lashes, I'm going to be using Hollywood lashes, and these are by Lily Lashes. I'm going to go ahead and apply glue on them, and while that glue is drying up, I'm going to finish up with the rest of my face. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, drop some comments down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.